What's lurking in your network? Here are the cyber threats you missed last week. From September 23rd to 29th, the cyber world was buzzing with action. First up, vulnerabilities in cups could have opened the gates to remote attacks on Linux systems. Luckily, Red Hat's on it, but stay sharp. Google's big move to Rust, it's paying off. Android's memory-related bugs dropped from 76% to 24%. Security win. And Kaspersky, they just exited the US, leaving users in a tizzy. Ultra AV stepped in, but tread carefully, folks. Now brace yourself. Kaya cars had a flaw where hackers could control them using just a license plate. Patches are in, but yikes! Oh, and let's not forget, 2 crypto exchanges got sanctioned and 3 Iranian hackers were charged. It's a jungle out there. That's your weekly cyber intel from Impress IT Solutions. Stay vigilant, stay protected. Until next time, keep your defenses up.